Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2021 Matchbox. I'm deciding to open up some more of my Matchbox cars. I've been picking up a lot of them recently. Got the 2016 Ford Interceptor Utility, and this has been one of my favorite Matchboxes. Even though I used to have one, but I don't have it anymore. I don't even remember. I mean, this was a while ago. But this is number 65 of 100 for 2021, and it's from the Matchbox Highway segment. And I love this one. This is a Ford Interceptor Utility. My favorite castings seem to be like the perfectly normal, realistic looking cars. GVX 75, and I see these all the time. What does that say? City of San Luis Obispo? Weird. And this this has a 2021 copyright. Sorry, I don't have COVID, I promise. I love this casting. I love it way too much to keep it in the packaging. Let's just tear it right out. Protector, I love the protectors. Liking that open. Wow, sharp casting. I love this Ford Interceptor Utility. Ooh, wow, that looks cool. Nice spin wheels on it. This is cool. Look at that. Holy cow. This thing is sharp. Oh, man. Can see that right there. City of, oh yeah, it says the same city. City of San Luis Obispo, or however you pronounce it, I don't know. Service, pride, integrity on the side, and like this cursive writing. Don't know if you can see that. Oh, well, you can see that. It says police right there. Now white tampo. The orange lining. We got ring disc wheels on this one. Beautiful casting. I love it. This one is absolutely stunning. And if you see this one chasing after you, you better pull over. You're not getting anywhere in your cheap Toyota Camry that you just robbed the bank with. And look at that brush guard. Beautiful casting. Look at those painted headlights. I am liking the brush guard. If I get a car when I get a car when I grow up, I'm definitely putting a brush guard on it. If I get like a nice lean and mean machine, like an F-150 or Ranger or something like this. Look at that. My dad's always been a fan of Fords, and it kind of stuck to me. Even though a lot of my friends like despise Fords, I think they're pretty neat. And black interior. I mean, they used to be a lot better, but now with all the new technology, everything's breaking. Ooh, light bar. Nice. Emergency 911. On the rear fender there. Really realistic painted tail lights. And look, we got a tow hitch. Plastic tow hitch. It's part of the base. Stunning casting. I love this casting. Always love these police interceptors. Made in Thailand. This is a plastic base. Ooh, I thought that was a white rivet. It's just an unpainted rivet. This one's painted. The paint on these rivets usually flakes off pretty easily. It's not damage to the car. But yeah, since this has a tow hitch, I should open up my trailer next. See how it looks with that trailer. But there you are. That is the 2016 Ford Interceptor Utility. This is a 2021 Matchbox. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe to the channel for more. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.